Hey everybody, my name is Randall Ray and welcome back to my channel for another update in the Reclaimed Container Workshop. A number of things have happened this week and let's go ahead and jump right into the workshop. Basically, last week's vlog I talked about me trying to self-promote a little bit more. In the past, if it hasn't been a holiday or I haven't been just in the mood to really take orders, basically, if I haven't been in that flow, I haven't really posted and tried to promote my products or sell my products and stuff like that. So I'm trying to change that a little bit. I'm kind of challenging myself to go once a week, try to update my posts. Basically, I do a lot of promoting through Facebook groups in the first Facebook market. I get a little bit, a little bit of traction and exposure through Instagram, but mainly it's local markets, local word of mouth, and Facebook groups and marketplace. So it's usually somebody the town over or in my town, self-promoting, redoing all my posts, trying to promote products and take in orders. Basically, it gives me the opportunity to work in the shop more, stay productive. If I'm not making orders or taking orders and producing items, if I'm not working on somebody's order, I kind of get into a funk. I'm in the shop, but I'm not in the shop as much as I would like to be. So, taking orders allows me to continuously be working on something. It gives me a number of things. It helps fund the workshop. It gives me continuous content for the vlog. It does a number of things, and I really want to expand and continue to grow as a maker, so taking on new products and just stuff like, anyways, it's all a good thing. So this is my second week doing that. I got a couple new orders. Nothing I've started yet. I'm still working on the orders from the vlog last week. They're all actually behind me. Currently have 2 bass going out tomorrow, a Florida silhouette that I engraved and then did a garnet colored epoxy pour into an FSU logo, and 2 large Florida silhouettes, or I'm sorry, 1 large Florida silhouette and 1 standard size, both engraved for a local, pitmaster, or anyways, the guy owns a barbecue joint. So basically, I've got all those behind me. I did one of the last coats of clear probably about, 2 hours ago. They're all just about ready. I'm going to go through after this video, do a quick light sanding, wipe them down one last time, and then do a last clear coat tonight before I go to bed. So those will all be finished. 2 of them are getting picked up tomorrow. I would assume that the gentleman that ordered the barbecue engraved signs, those will most likely be picked up tomorrow as well. He seems very excited. I sent him some photos about an hour ago, and he couldn't be happier. So that is it for the workshop. Trying to self-promote, finishing up these orders. Tomorrow I'm going to start on the orders I received this week. It should be fairly quick and continue forward. In other news, work-wise, we've been actually kind of busy this week. It's kind of, it's a good thing, clearly. So work has been busy this week. We got a number of jobs done. We had a deck grade, had to go back to the gentleman's house that we backfilled, had to do a deck grade or help do a partial deck grade there. Did a final grade, hauled some dirt off a job, did that deck grade. What else did we do? I don't know. That's pretty much it though. Last week I talked about the airboat and trying to get the airboat done in time for a particular event. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to make that. The event is the 17th. Today is the 11th, 10th. I don't even know. And my phone's over there. So, don't think we're going to get it done in time. We did make a bit of progress on the rigging today. We got the two main hoops that are going to be for the back of the cage. Got those together. Got a number of the supports tack welded in place. And by we, I mean that I don't know how to weld very well, so I assisted, and my father tack welded everything in place. I did, so this guy here, I did do a 3D rendering for the hoops so I can get the exact measurements, stuff like that, to make sure we were all in the right path. So, yeah, it's cool to be a part of it. Still a ton to do, and there will be a full project video coming out eventually. If I had to guess, I would say within the next month. Yeah. Anyway, so here's some clips, guys. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you've ever been on an airboat before, let me know below what you think. If you haven't, yeah, it's going to be cool. Check it out. Go look at my very first video. You can see the old airboat. Just a few clips from there. I do have some news for my upcoming project video. Basically, the last month I've been putting together a custom PC I'm going to be building. I've been getting in parts, you know, one by one. Actually, this morning I got in the last two pieces, or the last two component pieces. I still need a few other small things, but nothing major, so I should be able to get in and start building this desk soon. As soon as I finish up these orders tonight, first thing tomorrow, I'm going to hopefully, if all goes to plan, I'm going to start building the top case for the desk, which is actually going to house all of the computer components, so I can start getting those in place, get the fans in place, and go from there. I will do a whole project video on this. It's probably going to be a two-part series. Most likely it's going to be the actual desk build, and then some of the accessories and kind of things I'm going to do for the desk, as well as putting all the components in. Now that I do have all the components here, I know most of you guys probably don't care, but if you are into custom computers, electronics, anything like that, this week, maybe even tomorrow, I'm going to go through, do a kind of just an unboxing maybe of all the components and discuss what I've got going on and the full specs of this build. So that is upcoming. I am super excited. It's going to be a big leap forward. I don't know if I've talked about it on here very much, but I've been trying to do a little bit of Twitch live, kind of 3D modeling and video editing live, stuff like that. Nothing too cool, nothing too crazy, but I've been getting into it. I do currently edit on a laptop, so this would be a big improvement from that. I mean, I have a crazy awesome laptop, but this will be a dedicated place where I can sit down, I can work on a desk. I won't have to continually be on my bed or move it to this table or that table. This will be a dedicated space where I can do a number of things. Possible voiceovers, It's just crazy. So that is coming up. Again, if you're interested, I'm actually going to. I was going to say I put the PC build below, but I'm going to wait. Keep an eye out for the specs and unboxing video probably this week, and hopefully, if all goes well, within the next week to 2 weeks. Don't hold me to that, but I will have the desk complete and be ready to go. But that's pretty much it. Other than that, guys, I don't have much going on. Workshop, work, and a few builds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next week, and until next time, have a good one, guys.